Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So kusasa iOrlando Pirates iyobhekana nePolokwane City. IPolokwane City iyobe idlala kusasa izobe ihostile iOrlando Pirates eOld Peter Mokaba Stadium. Yabo kulesa stadium lesa esincane. Mina ikhumbula kahle ifirst leg yale match liyadlalela eOrlando Stadium isathanda kuqala isizini Orlando Pirates ilapho khona yayishaya iPolokwane City. Yabo. So manje kuyodlalwa i-return fixture. So lana ngizoshayelana prediction yami yabo. Abadlali mina engingathanda abadlali kule game yakusasa. Because iOrlando Pirates mowazi kahle next week iyodlala against iMC Alger. So kule game lemele yenze show ukuthi iOrlando Pirates iyabaresta abadlali ongamele badlale. No like iyabaresta abadlali abadlala kakhulu. Lebo abadlali abanjengomfuking, abadlali abanjengombatha, abadlali abanjengomakhehle Makhawuli. You see those star players. Mele mhlawumbe bayiresta le game le. But ke singayithatha kancane iPolokwane City. iPolokwane City akusiyona i-team ongayithatha kancane. So ukuresta abadlali ungasifayela inkinga because iPolokwane City iyadlala. Yabo even though ingenayo form right now but ke yona iyadlala isathanda kubuya kuyiwin nje. Basathanda kushaya iRichards Bay ngo-3-1 yabo. So I wouldn't risk ukuresta abadlali abaningi yabo abadlali iOrlando Pirates. Ungarestisa labo nalabo mhlawumbe babeke ebenchini ama-star players angene second half akwazi ukuthola igame time yabo awinisa i-team ukuthi mhlawumbe i-team yastruggle because siyodlala kulesa stadium lesana ngisithanda ngifuqa amali lesa stadium angisithandi yabo I'm not saying ngisiyadliwa umedlela khona because since sadlala khona ayikho igame sayidliwa khona yabo ayikho igame sayidliwa sidlala eOld Peter Mokaba Stadium but lesa stadium silimaza abadlali yabo silimaza abadlali njengosesana walimala kule game le ngosikhathi sidlala against iSikhukhune United walimala ngosikhathi sidlala le yabo umdlalo njengombatha ayidlalanga nje igame eMamelodi Sundowns ifirst leg ngosikhathi sidlala le eLoftus because walimala la yabo so angiyithandi ngempela le pitch le but ke soyidlala kusasa nayi lana prediction engayishaya mama sengithola ithuba ungangitshela wena yakho kuma comments ungibhalela ukuthi yipi lana prediction yakho ongayiset. So first and foremost epalini ngaqalisa uSipho Chain. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoSipho Chain wafethu unyamaza umjida he has been there, he has proved himself yabo uyadeserve nebhandi la kaplan umjida wafethu yabo kaningi esiza even the last game we played against the MC Alger nimbonile. That was a man of the match performance for me yabo I think we told him man of the match if I'm not mistaken umjida uyadlala so ngambeke epalini yabo kuthi ngima center backs ngadlalisa uMbokazi benosibisi these two actually these three because now uXoki uyadlala yabo uXoki angifuni qhamanga ayibekile phansi nayo uyalikhuphula izinga uyafuna ngempela ukubuyela kulela zinga ayikulona la season but kule game I feel like kule game mezilayisa abantu aba2 because I don't think kumele sibe defensive kule game. Truth be told nje bafethu I don't think Orlando Pirates kumele be defensive kule game because mase ubheke utrack irecord ePolokwane City yes even though they came back from a win against the Richards Bay and ibana like bayitheba impela bangayishaya Orlando Pirates because they seen Orlando Pirates indlela edlala ngakhona but mase ubheke i-team econsider iPolokwane City yabo i-team econsider ama goals amaningi so mina abadlali ngibadlalisa emuva ilabo about 2 yabo menginalama defenders awu2 emuva yabo angisabi lutho. Ngiyazi uMbokazi uzokwazi ukumaka oSunapolice ngiyazi uSibisi uzokwazi ukumaka oSunapolice uma mesikhawuzela inkinga lapha inkinga la engashaya khona ngaba khona ama set piece yabo ama set piece yilapho khona iPolokwane City engasho ukuthi mhlambe ngasinikeza inkinga because the kune center back la khona edlalela iPolokwane City elikwazi ukwashaya amagoli yabo ama set piece so emuva ngaqalisa lawa jida uSipho Chain ngathi angakwazi ukuba commander akwazi ukubatshela ukuthi bavimbe ama set piece because iyona into enjolo kuyibona ama-team amaningi asesebenzisa yona medlane Orlando Pirates iyona nje into abayisebenzisayo bayawuthi Orlando Pirates i-vulnerable yabo umemixwe ama-set piece mase kuthi i-right wing back yami yagime yakusasa ngaqalisa uShando not taking away anything from Uvan Royen I feel like umjida kumele athi ukuphuma la kancane sayadlala against the MC Alger the following game so dlala against the MC Alger so le game yakusasa ngathi angahlala ibenchini kancane ngidlalise yena uShando yabo ngamdlalisa uShando even though uShando ngalitholi lotho because uShando bese introducer bokunax introduce igame siyophela futhi as a right winger sometimes as a right wing back akhiphe yena uVan Royen last game ngosikhathi ekhishi uVan Royen wangidlelela mnandi uShando so uyadeserve ukuyiqala le game I'm not saying he's better than uVan Royen udinga ukuresta kancane fethu le game isoyidlala against iMC Alger izokubaleka kakhulu nje uyadingakala kuyona yabo ngimdinga efit 100% kule game so kule game le ngamhlalisa ebenchini uVan Royen iqalise yena uShando yabo ungangitshela ke wona usungaqalisa bakule position because if ukhumbula kahle ukhona uNdlozi yes I can start uNdlozi but I feel like uNdlozi is too defensive yabo uNdlozi is too defensive even though asibadinga abantu aba-defensive, but kule game le I don't want us to be defensive. Yabo, I don't want us to be defensive. Now uyakwazi ukudefend uShandu, but futhi uyakwazi ukuya phambili asidele ama-numbers ashayela ama-cross yabo into ey'kanjalo. So ngamdlalisa yena ngimbeke ebhenchini uVan Rooyen, benayo uNdlozi ngibabeke ebhenchini yabo. Mase kuthi ku-left wing back bengambeka ebhenchini uHotto, but come on guys, you cannot play uMarco. Paseka Marco ayikabi. I'm not taking away anything from Paseka Marco. Paseka Marco is a good footballer, but when you have Deon Hotto in your lineup, yabo, something can happen. Deon Hotto wenza anything out of nothing, yabo, wenza something out of nothing actually. Fana njengo Saling, mona pule Saling, mina mazi uSaling. Akusiyena nje umdlali ongamcoacha loyana mfethu ukwenzela anything from nothing, akushayela igoli mfethu. So Deon Hotto siyamdinga lapha akwazi ukukhuphuka benawo uShandu ba-add ama-numbers phambili. Uba ngisho le scheme lesi ngifuna si-attack, scheme lesi is-attack ngempela. Ngizobona nje nginishayela le lineup le, ngizobona abadlali abakhona kule scheme lesi, abadlali aba-attacking minded yabo, abadlali ngifuna siyiqede nje early game iBulwane City yabo. Sazi ukuthi okay njoba siyiqede early game le soshintsha sifaka abanye abadlali yabo, because baningi abadlali bangajwayele ukuyithola game time yabo. Abadlali abanjengo Radio Pane, abadlali abanjengo Karim Kimvwidi, abadlali abanjengoba Ndlozi yabo, Ndlozi abayitholi kakhulu game time yabo. So abadlali abanjalo bawadinga ama-minutes, ingakho le game le kumele sisheshe siyiqede ngempela. So far ungangitshela ama-comments ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngale lineup le, i-big 4 yethu, ungangitshela ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngayo. Mase size eswini angifuna ukuqamba amanga engathi ngizoplamba eswini, but ke ngilaleleni eswini ngaqalisa uRasebocha bafethu. This guy I don't know why, but akayitholi game time kakhulu koLorlando Pirates yabo. Into yakhe unokuba physical, isidingo singekho, but mina ngiyayithanda indlela adlala ngakhona uMjida yabo, ngiyithanda indlela adlala ngakhona. So I would prefer ukufaka yena instead of uMakhehleni Makaula. Not taking anything away from uMakhehleni Makaula, the guy needs to rest because so udlala against the MC Alger. The last game we played against the MC Alger, he was very instrumental in that center. Kule sasiso nje indlela ayidlala ngakhona, he was very instrumental. So ngambeka ebhenchini nathi ukuphumula kancane ngibe ngifaka uRasebocha. This guy needs ama-minutes. This guy, he is the future of Orlando Pirates, because uMakhehleni Makaula njengoba iminyaka yakhe imshiya fethu, iminyaka emimshiya uMakhehleni Makaula melimala uba usosala naye. I feel like this guy can make ushintsho lapha uMakhehleni Makaula melimala noma kwenzeka something. So I would prefer uRasebocha instead of uMakhehleni Makaula kule game lesithi ukuresta Mjida. Mase kuthi lapha eswini ngidlalise uRasebocha benombatha. I would play uRasebocha benoTalent Mbatha bafethu siyamazi ka, ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoTalent Mbatha. I would play him with uRasebocha yabo. uMbatha uyakwazi ukukhuphuka add ama-numbers phambili, akwazi ukushootha, akwazi ukumarka. Mjida yabo akekho la ungamtholi khona, uyena mdlali ongadlalela kahle kuleya position yabo. Akwazi ukumguide uRasebocha, babedlala ndawonye kuSuperSport United, ba-understandana indlela abadlala ngakhona. So ngingabadlalisa bawu-2, even though isisami kule game lesi singekho ngizothini, isisami kule game le asikho that convincing, angifuni uqamanga, asikho that convincing, but ke ngambe ebhenchini uMakhehleni Makaula angene second half akwazi ukushintsha igame. Even uMiguel team ngingazi ngoMiguel team, because I thought uMjida usiye right, ubengakwazi ukutravela neteam ayele eAlgeria yabo. Singesazi mhlawumbe ucoach uzo-opta to play uMiguel team instead of uRasebocha, we never know. But ke Mbatha benoRasebocha eswini, wangitshela wona ukuthi ungadlalisa ba uphumuze ba yabo. Mase kuthi number 10 role I would give to Ndabathetho Ndlondlo. I would give the number 10 role to Ndabathetho Ndlondlo. Umjida uyakwazi uku-add ama-numbers phambili, Umjida uyakwazi ukukhahlela, Umjida uyakwazi ukubuya adrope azomaka siz team yabo. Umjida is creative yabo. I will play uNdabathetho Ndlondlo since he came back. Umjida, he has been giving 10 out of 10 performance, even though wathola ama-minutes amancane kule game i-MC Alger, but wambona Umjida ukuthi uyadlala impela yebo, wambona impela ukuthi uyadlala. So I would put him in that position. Mhlamba uMbatha mefuna ukukhuphuka akwazi ukudropa uNdabathetho Ndlondlo azosiza team, akwazi ukumaka lapha. So ngambeka ukuthi kwi-right wing position ngafaka uKabelo Dlamini, another skillful player. I would put him there. Ungangitshela wena ukuthi ungafaka ba lapha yabo. Kwi-left wing position ngafaka uMfokeng, angifuna ukuchaza kakhulu ngoMfokeng bafethu. Mase kuthi ke-striker ngingafaka uMabasa yabo. Njani ibona nje leni lana bafethu, njani ibona iya-attack ngempela. Igame kumele siyiqede first half igame la ngokwami igame kumele iqedwe first half ngingazi ke wangitshela nama comments ukuthi ungafaka yipi lineup iyona ke lineup eVan Sport le ye game against iPolokwane City yabo.